Now, based on that, you can write a few more questions. What are negative of your number and additive inverse and the multiplicative part, anything, whatever the name we can call it is. Write additive inverse of the following. Right. Yes, I got one more response from my child. It's minus 203. Now it's correct, but I got. Okay, Abhinav. Okay, don't worry. We'll discuss here. Which bit it is? I think it is fourth bit, right, Abhinav? Right.
Yes.
Abhinav, see here, we can do this calculation many simple ways, Abhinav. 2 upon 5 multiplied with 3 by 8 minus 25. This is our question. Instead of how you supposed you have to use your distributive property, minus 2 by 5 multiplied with 3 upon 8, and minus of minus becomes plus 2 by 5 multiplied with 25. Abhinav, you can cancel here 2 5s, sir. You will get 10 that part, and this becomes minus 2 1s are 2 4s are. You can cancel up here. This become minus 3 by 20, minus 3 by 20 plus 10 minus, this is nothing but 10 minus 3 by 20 also we can write. 20 200 minus 3 by 20, 200 minus 3 by 20, it's nothing but, what is the value? 200 minus 3 by 20, what is the value, children?
197 by 20.
197 by 20. Is any table it will cancel, you have to check 197 is a prime number or any other number will we can simplify where the reduce or not. But Bhavya, you got as answer, what is the different answer? Ayush and both you are getting as wrong, I think so. Abhinav, you got, you are not adding, you are subtracting here, you are adding here 203 so that you are getting, but it is
Yes, ma'am.
addition. You are correct, Abhinav. A small mistake,
Ma'am, a silly mistake.
silly mistake. Silly mistakes only cuts marks, children. Everything you are doing correct. Where you are doing Bhavya and Ayush miss part, which part you are doing error over any simplest form? No, no.
No, ma'am, I couldn't find.
Yeah. Please be a little slow. Also try to give correct answers, children. Next, write additive inverse. Write additive inverse. Additive inverse. Krishna, inverse. Additive inverse of minus 7 by 19. Minus 7 by 19. And another bit, this is first bit you have to write. And in second bit, 21 by 112 now. 21 by 112. What is the additive inverse of minus 7 by 19? I want answer from
7 by 19, ma'am.
Harshita. You are correct, Harshita. Negative of your number, we can call it as always. Negative of your number, we can call it as always. Additive inverse, so that it becomes minus of minus plus 7 by 19, right opposite sign. Now, just a minute, children. I got a response from my child. Who is this? Abhinav, 7 by 19. Which bit? E bit. Yes, 7 by
No,
19.
ma'am, first bit, ma'am.
Right. Correct only. Correct, no. Abhinav, correct. Ayush, what is additive inverse of 21 by 112? Ayush.
Ma'am, minus 21 by 112.
Very good, Nana. Minus 21 by 112. Additive inverse part, we can call it as negative of a number also, children. Remember, negative of a number. Negative of a number. Both are same, children. If they're asking negative of a number or additive inverse, you can write just uh, the additive inverse part. The same way, the same way, we can go with the multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse or reciprocal. Multiplicative inverse, other name is reciprocal, children. Another name for multiplicative inverse is reciprocal. Shall I clear screen, children? Are you doing?
Yes,
Ma'am, I
ma'am,
have a doubt,
please.
ma'am.
Yes, ma. Where is your doubt?
Ma'am, in the fourth question, ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yeah, yes, Krishna. Krishna, fourth bit.
Ma'am, Bhavya.
Who is this? Krishna Aditya?
Ma'am, Bhavya.
Bhavya. Right, Bhavya. Fourth bit you have doubt. See, Bhavya.
Yes.
Minus 2 by 5. This is mother. Minus whoever bracket outside number is always mother. You need to send inside the bracket. You need to send inside the bracket, but inside number it is distributed equally. That means minus 2 by 5 first multiplied with first child. Who is first child here? 3 by 8. And whatever the sign is there here, the same sign you're supposed to keep, negative sign. And minus 2 by 5 multiplied with who is another number in the bracket?
20.
25. So in this case, Bhavya, 5 ones are 5 ones are 5 fives are. So minus into minus also becomes minus into minus also becomes plus. This case, in this case, how you suppose you can cut here? 2 ones are 2 fours are. This is nothing but what happens, Bhavya.
Distributive property.
This is nothing but what happens here. Only leftover is minus 3 by 20. Minus 3 by 5 fours are 20. Plus in this side plus 10. This we can rearrange 10 minus 3 by 20 also. No confusion. Right? Right, Bhavya? Can we arrange like that? Bhavya, 10,
Yes, ma'am.
10 plus minus 3 by 20. Can I arrange as 10 minus 3 by 20? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now you have to see that the LCM. LCM is 20.
20.
So 10 into 20. 10, 20 times how much, Sana?
200.
200. 200 minus 3. Numerator is 3. 3 divided by 20. 200 minus 3 is nothing but 197 by 20. This is the way you can. Right, Bhavya? Clarify.
Ma'am, they gave the simplified version of distributive property.
Yes, you can. Important points, children. We discussed different properties, how you're supposed to use, and negative of your number, and reciprocal. This concept I didn't help you. Reciprocal. Reciprocal, another name is, children, multiplicative inverse. They can test in any way. Multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse. In this multiplicative inverse, suppose my question is 21 by 8. 21 by 8. What is multiplicative inverse of 21 by 8, children?
8 by 21.
Ma'am, 8 by
21.
21.
Yeah, 8 by 21 is the multiplicative inverse. Very good. Come on, children. Same way we will go with one or two examples. 7 upon minus 5.
Minus 5 by
Minus
7.
5 by 7.
Wonderful. Minus 5 by 7, so that it becomes. Suppose other question is given as minus 2, 3 by 5.
Minus 5 by 13.
Yes, Abhinav, it is mixed factor. Very good, Abhinav. Correct.
Minus 5 by 2.
Minus mixed fraction is
5
given
by
now. What you're supposed to do, you have to convert 10, 10 threes are 15, 15 by 5. What is 15 by 5 multiplicative inverse? 15 by 13 by 5. Sorry, 13 by 5. 13 by 5 multiplicative inverse is minus 5 by 13. Yes, this is
Yes, ma'am.
minus 5 by 13, children. If they will give mixed fraction, first you have to convert into improper fraction, then you have to do the reciprocal. That is only the thing. So suppose in competitive examinations, how they will test this question means, find the additive inverse of fourth bit. Sum of, find additive inverse, sum of minus 3 by 4 plus 5 by 3. You have to find the additive inverse for this one. Yes.
We should first do the sum and write the additive inverse. ma'am.
Exactly. First you have to do the complete part. Addition part you should do. Then Then you go with
Additive inverse or multiplicative inverse, whatever they ask, we should do it then. Ma'am, can you hear me?
yes, I can hear you. Please.
Ma'am, there's a disturbance, right?
No, please start doing the sums, children. Last bit you're supposed to give the response. I will come back.
Ma'am, minus 11 by 12.
Ma'am, it is minus 12 by 8, ma'am.
Ma'am, it's 12 by 11.
Very good, Lanu. Yes. Yes, first thing you have to do like normal part, make your like fractions. To make as a like fraction, first LCM. For 3s are
It's
12.
minus
First,
12 by 8, ma'am.
first number you should multiply with the 3, second number you should multiply with 4. So that what you will get children, minus 9 by 12 plus 20 by 12. It's nothing but 11 by 12. 11 by 12, what is the reciprocal of 11 by 12 children?
Minus 11 by
12 by
No, ma'am. 12 by 11.
12 by 11, but what they got?
Ma'am, what's the next question?
Next question I'm giving you. Can you please write the multiplicative inverse of the questions I'm writing on the screen? Quickly copy the questions and write it to them. Fifth one. Fifth one is minus 13. Multiplicative inverse of minus 13. How much, children? Come on, one by one you have to. Harshita.
Minus 1
Ma'am,
by
minus
13.
1 by 13.
Minus 1 by 13.
Minus 1 by 13. Very good. Sixth bit. What is reciprocal of minus 13 by 19?
Minus 19 by 13.
No group answers, children. We'll go with step by step. Next, seventh one. Bhavya. What is multiplicative inverse of 1 by 5?
5.
5. Next, Abhinav. What is
Yes, ma'am.
multiplicative inverse of minus 5 by 8 multiplied with minus 3 by 7? Yes. Next question to
Ma'am,
next
56 by 15.
next question to Krishna Aditya. Krishna, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Krishna, next bit
Yes,
to you,
ma'am.
Krishna, please. Minus 1 multiplied with minus 2 by 5. And the last one for Ayush, minus 1. Ayush, come on please.
Ma'am, was I correct?
What is your answer you kept in chat box? Let me check. Yes, I think.
No, ma'am, I didn't.
Abhinav 12 by 11. Yes, very
No, ma'am, 56 by 15. The eighth one. You gave me the bit right.
Oh, eighth one I gave for you, right? What is the answer?
56 by 15, ma'am.
56 by 15. Wonderful. Good. Next from Krishna. Krishna.
Yes, ma'am. 5 by 2.
Wonderful. 5 by 2. Where is Ayush? Ayush? Minus 1.
Ma'am, minus 1 only.
Minus 1, minus 1. 1. Children, 1.
1, ma'am.
1.
One
See,
only, ma'am.
the examination, how the question will happen for you. Reciprocal. So number and reciprocal both are same. Which of the following pairs, number and reciprocal both are same? What are those numbers, children? Reciprocal and number both are same.
1 and
Minus 1 and minus 1.
That is the point you're supposed to remember. You have to write it or else. Therefore, reciprocal of, somewhere we have the question too, but the rational numbers that are equal to their reciprocals. The rational numbers that are equal to their reciprocals. That's your 11th, 12th bit. The rational numbers that are equal to their reciprocals. That are equal to their reciprocals. Yes. Suppose here, what are the numbers, children? Minus 1 and plus 1. These are the two numbers. Both are equal to their reciprocal. Is 0 has reciprocal, children? Is 0 has reciprocal? Yes or no?
No.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
13. 0. 0 has reciprocal.
No, ma'am.
Suppose if you take any number 0 by 1 by 0 always not defined, right, children? Not
Yes, ma'am.
defined. So 0 has a reciprocal means no, 0 doesn't have a reciprocal. Next, the numbers dash and dash are their own reciprocals. You can just now wrote that minus 1 and plus 1. The reciprocal of minus 5 is 1 by minus 5. Reciprocal of 1 by x. What is reciprocal of 1 by x, children?
Minus 1 by 8.
No. Yes.
Minus 8 by 1.
No. 1
Ma'am,
by
it's just 8.
1 by x. What is reciprocal of 1 by x?
X, ma'am.
X, ma'am.
That's all, x, children. Suppose 1 by a reciprocal means a. Instead of numbers, a variable is given. That's all, nothing new. Can we go with rational numbers in between number line for children? Shall we go with that concept?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubts here? How you supposed to use your properties and how you supposed to find the multiplicative inverse as well as additive inverse?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, right. Rational numbers between two rational numbers we will go, children, today. First we will go with I didn't give it for you. Representation of rational numbers on number line. We already did with natural numbers. How we supposed to represent natural numbers starts with 1. Equidistance, you are marking points and writing as 1, 2, 3 and so on up to infinite. Coming to whole numbers starts with 0 and all natural numbers together we are having whole numbers, so that it becomes 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on to infinite you are getting. The same way integers can be represented with the letter Z. We can we can we can take from both the sides. Why? Because negative to positive. Exactly middle you have to take as 0. Left side of 0 is all negatives. Left side of 0 is negatives. Right side of 0 is all positives. Next one will go with 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 yeah, integers. After what we have, children? What we have? Rational numbers. Rational numbers are in the form of p by q, where p and q are not p and q are integers. Q should not be
0.
0.
yeah. Rational numbers will be in the form of p by q. All integers are rational numbers. Yes, so that you can write it as any number. You can write it as negatives. You have to minus 1 by 2, then 0, then positive 1 by 2, then positive 1 by 2, then positive 1. Like that you can express in both the ways rational numbers too. Our question is now rational numbers between finding two rational numbers is you have in your examination, children. The part syllabus part you have in grade 8. We'll go with how to find rational numbers in between any two given rational numbers. Let me take the part. Yes, yes, coming, go. Welcome back to. Yes, go. I having work. Please, don't disturb. Yes, please. Three, go fast. Okay, children, write down in between rational numbers between rational numbers between. Yes, this is a very important concept, children. Rational, very easiest. We can. How many rational numbers are there in between any two rational numbers, children?
Infinite.
Very good. That is most important point. We can find the infinite number of rational numbers in between two rational numbers. Find any first step by step. We'll start, children. Write any three rational numbers. Write any three rational numbers. Any three rational numbers between -2 and 0, children. This is very simple. Yes or no, children? -2 and see what are the numbers you have. If you know decimal representation of numbers, it is very simple, very interesting too, children. Okay.
Ma'am, minus 1.9, minus 1.8, minus 1.7.
Before going to start this part, you can write an important note, children. We can get countless rational numbers between any two rational numbers. That is a very important point. We can get countless rational numbers, infinite number of rational numbers. You can get how I will tell. Countless means we are number of unlimited number of countless rational numbers between two given rational numbers. Two given rational numbers. See, suppose in this case only we will take, let me draw a number line. Bhavya, if you want to find in between three rational numbers only, we want -2 in between 0. So here we know that in between we have -1 and only -1 in between you have as a integer.
Ma'am, can I tell the numbers?
Abhinav, can we represent this as in a decimal note?
Ma'am,
You will get many rational numbers. Come on, Abhinav.
yes, ma'am.
Ah,
Minus 1.9, minus 1.8,
very good,
and minus 1.7.
very good, very good. If you move towards right side part, you can say Abhinav. Can I write
Ma'am,
it as 1 point? Yeah. How I supposed to write Abhinav? Shall I take it as
ma'am, 1.
0.1, 0.2, 0.3? Yes or no, children? Minus, this is left side is minus
Yes, ma'am.
0.1.
Ma'am, minus 0.1, minus 0.2, minus 0.4.
Yes, you can take any in between. So that if these decimal numbers, how you represent as a rational number form, children? Minus 0.1 can be represented as 1 by 10, right? Minus
Yes, ma'am.
1 by 10 minus 0.2 can be represented as
minus 2 by
Minus
10.
2 by 10.
wonderful. So that if you want one more rational number, you can take as a minus 0.3. So this can be written
Yes,
as
ma'am.
this 0.5.
Minus 3 by 10.
You can take not only this, children, you can even take 0.001 also. Yes or no?
Ma'am, there are infinite, ma'am. We can take anything.
Any division, any smaller portions we can cut and take care of the divisions, right? We can take so that you whatever the numbers you wish you can write as the numbers and you can include -1 also in between rational numbers. You can write any three rational numbers so that I'm writing here. I'm writing here, children. What are the numbers I will write? If I'm going to divide all these numbers with the 2, what happens here? It's 0 and minus 2. If I want many numbers, I will divide with 3 or 5, 0 by 5 and minus 1 by 5, minus 2 by 5, minus 3 by 5, minus 4 by 5, minus 5 by 5. Minus 5 by 5 is nothing but 1 nano. 1? Yes, minus 1. So like that you can write any number of, you can take from that any three rational numbers. If you want any three rational numbers, you take and write. Yeah, Abhinav will get different, Bhavya will get different, Harshita will get different, even Ayush will get different rational numbers. Why? Because there are countless number of rational numbers. Okay. Next one.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. Next one, you take any three of them, children. You can take any three of them. If suppose they're asking any five means, you can write any five. Find 10 rational numbers. In second question, you need to find 10 rational numbers. Find 10 rational numbers. Find 10 rational numbers between minus 5 by 6 and 5 by 8 and 5 by 8. So how to find the rational numbers between? How you supposed to find in this case? You need to take the LCM, make as a like that is most important thing, children. Very good. What is LCM for 6 and 8 here? LCM for 6 and 8. Yes,
24.
6 and 8. You can, it's nothing but 2 3 times, 2 4 times, 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24. Very good. To make as a
20.
24, you just multiply this 6 4s are 24, 6 4s are 24. Second number you should multiply with 3 times so that what are the numbers you will get now? Minus 20 by 4s are 20 by 24 and this is 15 by 24. Now you can check, children, whether you are getting the rational numbers in between these two. Yes, we are getting. Why? Because minus 22, this is positive 15, children, not a negative 15. This is positive, so that you can write a n number of rational numbers. Minus 20 by 24, minus 19 by 24, minus 18 by 24, minus minus 17 by 24 and up to 0, then 1 by 24, then on to 12 by 24, 13 by 24, 14 by 24, and 15 by 24. But from this you have to select only any 10 rational numbers. Any 10 rational numbers. Or else directly
Ma'am, what if
also,
we don't get?
yeah, or else directly also you can whether see whether you are getting 5 by 6. This is 5 by, what is other now? Okay, because these are mixed, improper, we are converting. That is supposed to do. Very good.
Ma'am, what if we don't get?
Another method also you can find, children, here. Let us find the rational numbers between 1 and 2. What are the rational numbers between 1 and 2, children?
Ma'am, 1.1, 1.2,
1.1.
1.3,
1.1, how you supposed to write as a mixed number? 1 by 2. Yes, sir.
Ma'am, 11.
Oh,
Yes, ma'am.
11 by 2. Or 3 by 11 by, yes, 1.5 can be written as 1 by 2 or 3 by 2. This means what
Yes,
you
ma'am.
1 and 2 you have studied it. How you supposed to study it mean in your class 7, children? Sum of those two numbers divide with the number, you will get the middle number. Yes or no? Suppose if you sum up these two numbers and divide with the 2, you will get the middle number, exactly mean number of that. Like that also you can find, but anyway you can use this. It's more simple for you. Between any two given rational numbers, we need not necessarily get a integer, but there will be always a lie between a rational. Yeah, you can. This mean idea also we can find the rational numbers between any two given rational numbers. How we will go with one more example, we'll see, children, so that you can understand that part also, how the mean concept will be introduced here. Find the rational numbers between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. You're supposed to find in between how many rational numbers, they didn't give anything. You can find in between these two rational numbers. How you supposed to find here? Yes, Abhinav. How you supposed to find using mean method? Using mean method, I want to find out the rational numbers. What I said, children, mean means sum of two numbers. What is the sum? Divide with that number. Divide with the two.
Yes, ma'am. 1 plus 1 and 4 plus 2, ma'am.
You should divide with what number you should divide? You should divide with
2, ma'am.
we know that this you can supposed to multiply with the 2 to make as a like it's nothing but a 3 by 4 divide with the 2 reciprocal of this you have to write it and make as a multiplication and 1 by 2. If you know cancellation here we can write it as 3 by 8. 3 by 8, you know the 3 by 8 lies between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. Now the same procedure you have to repeat, children. How? Let me write on the number line. Now this is 1 by 4. This is 1 by 2. In the middle, what is the number you are getting, children? 3 by 8. If you want to find in between these two numbers, what you have to do? You have to add these two numbers and divide with 2. You will get one more middle number. You will get here. From that number and this number, if you do once again, you will get one more middle number. You can find like that n number. How many you want, that many number of middle terms you can find, and those are the in between rational numbers. Abhinav, any doubt here?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you show me how to find 6, ma'am? 6 in
Okay.
between.
Let me give. Suppose you got first number as what is the first number, middle number you are getting here? 3 by 8. Suppose I want find one more number. What I should do to find one more number? 1 by 4 plus 3 by 8. Bhavya, 1 by 4 plus 3 by 8, what happens, Bhavya? Here you're supposed to multiply
Ma'am,
with 2.
into two.
Yeah, it's nothing but 6 by, sorry, 5 by, 5 by
Ma'am,
5 by
8.
8. So this is the number 5 by 8 I got. Now if you combine these two numbers, you will get one more middle number. Yes or no, children? So that you can divide further. If you divide these two numbers, if you divide this, add and divide with 2, you will get one more median. If you add these two numbers and divide with 2 means you will get one more median. If you add up these two numbers means you will get one more median here. Yes? Understand, children? You can find the n.
Ma'am, like that we can add any numbers, ma'am.
How many? Any numbers. If you want 10 numbers, you can do. This is mean method. This is another method to find. Before case, we are converting as a like and doing in between. But this case, we are doing as a mean method. This is mean method. We can find like that also, children. We can find that also.
Ma'am, can we multiply the numbers and make them into equivalent
Exactly.
numbers?
Wonderful, wonderful. Good, Abhinav. Make as a multiplying numerator and denominator as a like, so that you can do how many number of. That is also one more method. Easiest method. Very simple method. You can find in any method, children. No need to worry. This is the second technique, but which method you feel comfort, you can do there. They won't ask which method you are supposed to do there. I'm going to find the rational numbers in between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. We can find many rational numbers here. 1 by 4. What is the question I gave, Nana? 1 by 4 and 1 by 2, right? In this case, what you're supposed to say, he said, Abhinav said, as a mom, you make as a like, so that you can raise up the fraction. This is nothing but 1 by 4. This is nothing but 2 by 4. You can multiply with any num. Suppose if you want to multiply here with 3, you can multiply with 3 or 3 2, so that your resulting rational number be 3 by 12. 3 by 12 here, your resulting rational number be 6 by 12. In between, you will get how many? In between 3, 4, 5, 6 you will get. If you want more number of rational numbers, you can multiply with a more bigger, greater number. Suppose you can you can reduce more further. You have to multiply so that you can get n number of rational numbers together. These are the different methods we can find rational numbers. Today you see there is a questions you have in your exercise 1.2. Let me write the questions on the screen so that you can go with this is only for your understanding purpose I'm giving. Find the rational numbers. Come on, children, you have to start working on the sums. Find 5 rational numbers. This is a homework for you. Rational numbers in between. Find 5 rational numbers between. Question number 1. Minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 1 is negative, 1 is positive, means more easy, children. And both are positive in the second case. 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. When you have to find 5 numbers, children. And the C option is given as minus 3 by 2 and 5 by 3. And option D is given 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. Already we did this 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. Again, you have to find any 5 rational numbers. And 3 by 5 and 3 by 4. Numerators are same. Here 3 by 4 and 3 by 5. That's all for the day, children. Please go through the part and please try to write rational numbers in between rational numbers. You can get any method you feel, which method you feel comfort, you can do. If you are comfort with mean method, you can do that, or else you can make as a like and raise your fractions, equivalent fractions, and then you can find how many you want, or else you can go with the mean method. These are the things, children. Okay, that's all for the day. I'll just end up the class, children. If you have any queries, please let me know so that I can help you. Yes, Krishna, density property. Yes, Krishna, are you there?
Ma'am, in mean property, ma'am.
Ah, yes,
In
Krishna.
mean property, we should add on.
You should add the remainder. See, suppose in mean property, if you want to find out, just add these two and divide. Suppose if you want to find this, you have to add up these two and divide with 2, Nana. You will get a middle number.
Yes, ma'am. With the middle number, we can add the middle number and 4 by 5. This second number also, ma'am.
First number plus second number. Mean means what, Nana? Suppose if I'm asking what is the average, mean is nothing but average, Nana. Average means how you supposed to do. How you supposed to do average? Sum of all observations divided with the number of observations, right? Sorry, children, I'm taking
Yes,
a
ma'am.
long time, and you just please go through. Mean is nothing but average, nothing new there.
Yes, ma'am.
That's all. You think that mean is nothing but average. You have to add those two numbers, divide with 2. Okay, children, see you in next class. And Sunday, which topic you have to write a rational numbers test. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
right, children. Bye. See you, children. Take care. Have a nice day to you all.
Bye, ma'am.
Ayush, any doubts, Ayush?
No, ma'am.
Krishna,
Yes, ma'am.
any doubts here how to find in between rational numbers? You have to find many methods here. You can use mean method, or you can use raising, increasing, writing equivalent fractions so that you can find. You can use any method, but they won't mention specifically these are the method you're supposed to use. You can find it any method. Any queries here, Abhinav, Krishna?
No, ma'am.
No doubt, ma'am.
Okay, right. Bhavya?
No, ma'am.
Okay, shall we end up session today's?
Yes, ma'am.
Right, children? See you in the next class. Your Sunday test to have in rational numbers, children, please. Rational
Okay,
numbers,
ma'am.
yeah, using properties and in between rational numbers. So in between rational numbers, subjective test always we are supposed to test. But in the competitive examinations, you will get very less part in that. I think you have to go with the properties. Properties are very important in solving simple. Especially if
Yes,
things
ma'am.
are different, you have to see carefully. That's all, children. Have a nice day to you all. Bye. See you. Take care.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, children. Bye.